Hi friends, I'm sorry my camera shut off. I'm getting too full, so I'm just going to finish this out. I think I shared all of this, but super cute, super cute. Lots of fun, extra goodies, more stickers. This would be perfect. This particular sticker booklet would be wonderful for if you gave somebody a wedding planner. I would totally buy this and put this in there. You've got all kinds of goodies, but this is perfect too for memory, memory planners, memory albums, etc. So super cute. And I just love it. So, of course, I bought 3 of each. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to say, one of the things I was talking about, and I think the camera was going out, was that literally, when I look at these, I think, oh, they're so kind of not vibrant color. But part of me recognizes, too, that because both of the weddings were such different color schemes, how perfect is a neutral? So the pink and the green will go perfectly with this, and even the red and the navy will go with this. So it's a very interesting decision, and I highly applaud Simple Stories. I think they did a great job, on I always look for things that are more the colors, and then I find things and it's like, oh, that makes sense. So right now I'm in this place of, it's not my favorite colors, but it totally makes sense. It'll work for both the weddings. And who knows what our youngest wedding will be. So I think that's fun. I love the Forest Tea Party. I can't wait to play with that. And then I also have this one other. And then after that, everything else is wedding. So I have this Pebbles Lovely Moment. So these two are for me to play with. And then the rest is for 3 sets of wedding albums for my husband and I. And I think I'm going to do that for him for Christmas this year. I'm going to get all the wedding albums, or the 2 of the 3. And then the third one I'm going to get put in the album. And then, because literally I'm just going to stack them 1, 2, 3. I'm going to deal, I'm going to cut, I'm going to load the pages, and then I'm going to print pictures and I'm going to fit them in. And that's what I'm going to do for us. And everybody should do how they like it. A lot of people love to do 1 page at a time, but I'm going to be mass producing. So I am literally going to do 1, 2, 3 and lay them out. So it's going to be fun. I think it's a very interesting plan for me to do this. And I think it's going to be an interesting project. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm sorry about that. It went into a 2-parter, but I'm running out of space on my phone, and that's what's happening. That is what is happening. Excuse me. So, all right, friends, I'm going to let you go. I've got so much going on here today. My husband took off work, didn't tell me till he took it off. I know, for all the women out there going, what? I know, it was kind of like, you didn't tell me. And so, and God love him, he was like yesterday going, I did tell you. And I said, nope, you didn't tell me. He goes, but I thought I told you. And I'm like, nope, you didn't tell me. So, bless his heart. So he's been here wandering all over the property working, and it's been so warm outside. We both were outside this morning meeting clients, and then, socially distancing, getting some tax paperwork, and then just working in the gardens. And I tell you what, I don't think I've, like completely cooled down yet. And I've been inside for probably 3 hours. I mean, it's just so humid. So anyways, but it's beautiful, and we're thankful, and we have beautiful things out of the garden, and that's always a blessing. And we were able to share things with our clients too, which was even better. So, and we do that. We take extra clients. We gave one client today, we had extra Thai basil pop up, and my husband said, well, would you like some? And she goes, yeah. And my husband just kind of stood there and looked at me like, oh, I guess she doesn't want any. And I said, no, she wants some. So go get a little pot and put some in it with soil, and she can take it home and plant it in her garden. And because it just popped up this year from last year. And my husband was just like looking at me like, what? So it was so cute. I think he was just thinking about something else. But anyways, I mean, he gives stuff away all the time. So do I. So I think he thought that we were going to give him cuttings. And I said, no, give him, all we have to do is dig it up and put it in a little pot, and they can take it home. And he was like, oh, okay. So it was so cute. Anyways, and she was so excited. She held on to it. Oh, it's so sweet. Just an older couple, and they're just so charming. And because we've been without phones and internet, it's been kind of a interesting time, but I'm I'm glad for those that have been so gracious to us. So we've been very blessed. We've had, we had a couple of stinkers, but it's hard. It's hard. We've had lots of extensions, and people don't always understand that. And because we work so many different things, it's kind of like, oh, we need the extension. So, but it's all good. It's all good in the end. All right, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you, if you have any tips or suggestions on how I should work these albums, leave them in the comments. Give me some feedback. Tell me what you think. Yeah, I'd love to hear what you have to say. If you have any extra ideas, I'd love to hear it. All right, friends. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Welcome all of our new friends. Hello to all of our good and tried friends. So glad you're all here, and I pray you're all safe and that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will be talking to all of you soon. Y'all take care, and if you get a chance, go walk in a garden somewhere today. All right, friends. Love y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.